Hello and welcome. Managing a retirement plan is one of the most critical responsibilities you have as a plan sponsor. Ensuring that it meets the needs of your organization and your employees while staying compliant with regulations can be a complex task, but that's where we come in. With over 17 years of experience in pension consulting, Pension Maxima is dedicated to delivering insights and solutions tailored to your specific needs. Whether you're looking to enhance your plan's performance, manage costs, or ensure regulatory compliance, we've got you covered. Today, our video is on plan fees. I'm Peter, and I'll be interviewing Bonnie Yam, Principal of Pension Maxima, on the topic of plan fees. Let's start.
Thank you.
What is the normal range of plan fees, Bonnie?
Well, it can range from 0.5% to 2%. It varies greatly depending on three elements. The size of the plan, custodial platform gets revenue sharing from investment platform, so the higher assets means lower fees. The second one is number of participants. This one is obvious because when you have more accounts to maintain, that means it's more money. And the third one is new contributions each year. This goes back to plan assets. A plan that grows faster will have more money to offset plan expenses.
Okay, what is the typical composition of plan fees?
Well, there are multiple components, okay? So depending on the complexity of the plan. So the first, everybody has to pay, that's a fee to the record keeper. Custodial fees, such as fidelity. And the next thing is investment fees. So you need investments on the platform. So the fees that being charged by the investments on the platform, and they're a little different, depends on what kind of investments you're picking, active versus passive. And then even if the same investment, I tell you, there are different share classes, which is the back end marketing fees that's being paid out. Okay, this is like indirect fees that you don't even see it. It just affect the plan, the investment return. So same investment, how come somebody get a little bit more? I mean, it's not a whole lot, but yes, because the back end fees makes a difference in the different share class. All right, so you need to watch out for it. Of course, you want to pick one that has the lowest or zero plan fees, and normally that's called the institution share class. And when that happens, no, of course, people don't work for free. So what happened is that they send you a separate bill. So it's very clean, very clear. So instead of being embedded by the share class, the backend fees, we call it the 12B1, it's billed separately. And then if you engage somebody to do the plan design, a third party administrator, we also call them a TPA, they charge you separately. And normally they charge you a flat fee plus the number of participants you have and the complexity of plan. So per participant per month. So that's how it works. And then the plan advisor, so they are different. So some of them get the back end fee from the investments. Some of them charge a fixed fee, and some of them want an asset-based fee on the based upon the total amount of assets you have on the plan. And finally, audit fee. So if your plan has over 100 participants, then your plan needs to be audited. And that's separate and you pay to your CPA.
Why are the plan fees so hard to evaluate?
Well, as you can see, so there's direct, indirect, so many parties involved, administrative fees, investment fees, management fees, recruiting fees. It goes on and on. Okay. So unless you're really comfortable with how the whole setup works and you know where the fees being deducted. Okay, so it's direct. All right, so I get an invoice. If it's indirect, it's got taken out from somewhere. So but we supposed to know because even it's direct or indirect, you supposed to get something. ERISA requires some type of disclosure to the plan sponsor. So you should every year you're supposed to get a form called 482.
How do you get,
Oops,
I'm
sorry.
sorry, go ahead.
So I just want to mention one more thing because like maybe doesn't seem to be like a big deal, okay, at 0.5, 0.05%. But any small expense multiplies because you're not talking about 1 year, 2 year. So over 10, 20, 30 years, the compounding theory. So it can grow to be a pretty significant portion, and that would mean that what you're getting back is less. Your investment return will be lower. So that's why it's also important to take a look at how much are you paying.
Yeah, I can see why that is really important. And how do you get the plan fee report?
The record keeper is supposed to give you every year, and it's called the 408B2 form. I know a lot of people don't know about it. It's a required ERISA disclosure. But that form, I had to say, even for a plan advisor with a lot of years of experience, it's difficult to read because, as you can see, there's so many different components, direct and indirect, and how do they calculate? And you have so many planned investment and multiplied by different percent ratio and all that. So, and then part of that, sometimes they actually give back some of what goes to the record keeper because they want to help offset some of the fees. They think, I have enough from the planned investments that I can help you. Well, anyway, it's complicated, as you can see. So it's important to work with somebody to actually understand how the whole thing works. And if you need assistance, maybe just reach out to a financial advisor who understand the process, your needs, and help you figure out whether your fees are reasonable. And we're certainly very happy to help you here.
Well, thank you. Our goal is simple, to help you provide a retirement plan that supports your employees' futures while ensuring it aligns with your organizational objectives. By partnering with us, you gain a trusted advisor dedicated to your success. So give us a call. Let's dive in and explore how we can support your journey.
Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you.